okay, that's it. We're taking our lives back. That's it. We're stepping out of the illusion. Period. What's going on? My name's Light of Light's eternal love. Light of God's eternal love. But the channel name is Light's God. Wait, Light's eternal love. Fuck, I don't know. Totally. I love it. We just go with it. Around here. Yeah. So, yep. The illusion of getting stuck in the cycle and the loop of, say, waiting for your twin flame. It's an illusion. It's an illusion sent to keep you from fulfilling your purpose. So what's meant for you will be for you. But you don't want it unless it's vibrationally matched with you, right? So cut out all the illusions. Cut out all the illusions of the human, of the feeling, of the sexual, fleshy desire things. Put it all aside for a sec. You have a calling on your life. So do it. Accept your calling and do it. It's up to you. You could say, nah, maybe I want to stay here for a little while. You know, your human's like, no, what about all the fun? It's not even fun. It's horrible. You're being horrible to your body. You want self-respect, but you don't have self-respect for yourself. Yeah, I know, I've been there. Again, another video, not going at all how it was presented to me. It doesn't shake me up anymore. I go with it. I'm battling my mind. Although it's not a battle, it's more the art of allowance. The art of allowing everything to come in and being able to. I was blessed with this ability, of being able to step back and looking at things from a wider, broader picture. And I will say that to get people to look at the other side. I've been taken away from people. What a blessing. I could barely deal with all of us. No, I'm kidding. That was a fucking joke. A little psychic humor. And speaking of that, Witchboard movie, by the way. TTFN. Ta-ta for now. What was it? I forgot. It's funny because Spirit tells me I'm just getting to the comfortable place of conversing with Spirit more than anything else. They said, now you need to go talk to humans. I said, oh my God, humans. How do I keep my human out of it? Sit here till you do. I'm good with that. Because the one thing I thought that I could never, ever do was be in the state I am now. And it's not the 3D state, but it's the freedom of the bondage of the loving myself and allowing that love. Loving all of me, my human, and coming home to the I am. And I'm not saying I'm there 100%. I'm there as much as I've grown to be there. Because it's so much. I don't think it's, I don't know. For me, I don't know if it's something I could just step into. Maybe it will be one day. It's not up for me to decide, but it is. You know what the choice is, everything is. How I handle situations that come before me and things that come up that are me, for me to look at. From a place of love, love and understanding of oneself. Because when you love yourself and accept these things that are not so great, but when you can accept these things of yourself, that's when you can accept it in another person, and then you're healed. And then it's going to come up again, because maybe because you know now, maybe you're that for someone else. Paying it forward. Plus, it's, you know, just because you're healed from it, your human has lived this way for so long, and it's going to want to try to do that. So just accept everything that comes up. You're not failing. It's part of the continual growing. It's like you, all right, this is a straight download. It's like you're getting, oh, that was anyway. Your faith muscle, your muscle, your habit, until it becomes automatic, where you're no longer this way. That's just how it's being shown to me right now. Right now is all we have. And I thank you and I appreciate you spending your time with me. It means a lot. I just send out love. To touch your heart, my hands are activated. So I'm just, it's a constant flow. Can't harm you. But it is up to you if you will accept it or not. That part's on you. It'll go somewhere else. It keeps flowing. That's how energy works. If it's not meant for one, it'll go on next to the other one. That's why many, many, many are called. Many volunteer. Many are the chosen, many are the elect ones. No, that's wrong. There's not many that are elect. I don't know that to be right, so I can't say that. That was my human, I guess. Trying to say, no, this is what you've always heard. This is what everyone talks about. When you're, oh my God, the Chosen Ones app, because I was just going to use that analogy. It just popped in my head. When you're the one fish going against all the other fish. The elect ones are it's a very small number in the, and that's all I need to know. I have my part. I do my part. The rest is left up to God. So I don't make it a big deal about subscribing and liking and all that. This is my path. This is my thing. Nothing about anyone else who does. And if you reacted in a negative way, look at that. That's something for you. Because I didn't mean it that way. Not from my point of view. Not from my heart. That's all on you, baby. You own that, and I'll let you keep it. Now is the time where you dig deep in yourself and your soul. The I am presence. It's time to awaken. Awake. Activation's gonna hit you. I'm not going to say who this is for, whoever sees it, possibly. Messages are used in many ways. Some are saying to the ones that need to hear it, then they can run back. Some it will activate in one way. Others it will activate in another way. It's you. It's always been you. Your human was meant that way, to keep you. And free reign. And you made it. This far. And you know that? And you can sit in faith with no matter what your human, what other people's humans, whatever you want to call it, yourself, your human, that wants to keep you stuck in your, it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. If you were meant to be and go the way everyone else does, then that's what you would be. But you're different. The Chosen app, I highly suggest that. Because that's their thing. It's fish going the opposite direction. It's about Jesus, and I love the way I've only gotten up to the part right before he's going to be arrested, and I just haven't been able to. I'm going to rewatch the first season and the second season, first few and the second season again, but I'm not ready for that. That'll be a private time. Jesus is a remarkable man. That's what I'm striving for. I can only pray to God that I can walk just like Jesus did. In this day and age, Jesus taught against the children, against all of that is. He spoke, he was the opposite. He taught different. And it was blasphemy, and it was all these horrible things, and guess what? These times are no different. It's the same thing. It's history repeating itself. So you know what's coming. But this time is different. But it's this day and age. It's the same premise of the story, I guess. There's a plot twist. There's always a plot twist. There's a sense of humor. God's got a great sense of humor. In my world. But in my world, it looks totally different than this world. And how I got that world is, God showed it to me. I wish you could see what I see. Soon. You will. sow a seed, teach the children. Building communities, building gardens. Everybody has a home. Everybody has food. Everybody has fresh water. Everybody's happy that choose to be on that side. It's a choice. Peace, love, harmony. If I could figure out how to get out of here. Have a great God night.